This video is part of a 3-set series. First video covering the initial setup of your software so that you can set your late fees, your billing cycle, and set up your unit types and your unit numbers. The second video will cover setting up clients and the daily usage of the software in regards to collections and renting units. The third video will then cover the customization of your marketing site and how to drive traffic to that site. So let's go ahead. This would be your initial site setup when you first get to your site. It's just completely generic. There's not a lot of there's no customization in here at all. From here, we're just going to go ahead and click on Login, and then you're going to put in your username and password. And the first place we're going to go is to the Setup tab. This is where you'll put in the business's address information, city, state, zip, email, and so forth. Save that, and we're going to go into Settings from Setup and then to Settings. In this area, you want to put your URL of your website. This generally will already be populated in this field, and you want to put in the http:// and then the site name. Next will be your Google Maps API code, which will load the map on the Contact Us page. Just click on Sign Up here. This will take you to Google's setup page. And the only thing you'll need to do here is, once again, put in your site name here. Let's just put in a generate the key. Then you'll go up top, capture this key, copy that key code, and then we're going to paste it right into here. Then go ahead, and we'll take care of the logo and the themes later in the third training. From here, we want to add any taxes to any items you might sell. If you're doing a sales tax, like for locks or whatever, you set your billing cycle here. This is the number of days before your clients their charges will show up on their statement. Then you've got your late fees. You want to put in the amount of the late fee and then the grace period for that late fee. So this will be 5 days. After 5 days, there will be a $5 late fee. So if you wanted to, and then the second late fee, so another $5 after another 5 days. Third late fee, another $5 after another 5 days. Make that a little bit more. Yeah, that's about right. And then you can put in the email address that you want to be notified of when changes are made. Go ahead and use this one, and then this will email this whenever a credit card is charged. Email recurring customers whenever they are invoiced, whenever anyone's mailed an invoice. Email the customer on any changes. So this is actually emailing the customer themselves. And email the customer on any charges as well when their card is charged. And then this feature here allows you to assign gate keys for each individual unit for accessing the front gate. And then you can include gate key instructions along with the gate key number. So let's see, enter only through front gate. And then you can also add your new renter instructions here. If there's any new renter instructions that you'd like them to have, please stop in the office to sign the storage agreement. Then we'll just save that. Okay. Now that we've successfully saved that information, now we're going to move right into setting up your unit types. Click on New Unit Type. We're going to call this one Small. And you could also just name it the dimension sizes. This one's going to be 5 by 10 by 8 feet high. And this is going to be, you could write a description for how much you could fit in a unit this size. So we'll just say, see 10 by 5. That would be about, I don't know what size that would be. So from here, you can put in a deposit amount, say $20. You're going to set this unit up for a standard pricing, we'll say $60 a month. Then you can give a discount for 3 months. They pay 3 months in advance. We'll give them a 5% discount. 6 months in advance, we'll give them a 10% discount, and 12 months in advance, we'll give them a 15% discount. And then you can also assign a picture to what that unit's going to look like. That is what would go right here. Create a few more units here. Okay, now we've got our unit types created. The next thing we're going to do is go into the units themselves, and we're going to create new units for each unit. Units for each unit type. So you want to do these in order. So the order you want them to appear in is the same order you want to enter them in. And then you can assign individual unique gate keys for each unit as well. I'm going to go ahead and small unit and make available. Okay, now we've got all of our unit types created, we've got all our unit numbers created, and we are ready to start using the software.